Wallace, waste container worker. I'm from Fresno, California, and I ended up here. My dad, he was a trash driver and a supervisor for over 39 years. So one day he told me the city had positions, so I applied for it. And I got the job, and I've been here for 30-something years now. We do service orders for the city of Fresno, repairs, breakdowns, deliveries, returns. People call in for like a repair on their can, a crack, a broken wheel, a lid broken, so we go out and repair it with the service order. Service order also is for the new homes to go out and deliver a new set of cans when they move into the new home. We do the breakdowns, returns, we come in, we wash containers, recondition them, paint them, then we get them back out to the customers. You know, anything wrong with the can, we're here to provide service for the customer. I like the customers, you know. They really appreciate the work you do. A lot of customers. You could go to a home, service an order and do some work, and a lot of customers come out, oh, thank you, you know. Some customers had private service say, oh, it would take them almost 2 weeks to 3 weeks to come out. And you here 1 or 2 days. So it's really nice to work for the city of Fresno. Get a lot of happy people, you know. We're here to serve the customers. Customers is number one. We want all customers to be happy to say anything that the solid waste bin shop does, we want an A+ for it. Just to say I'm able to make someone happy in the city of Fresno. That's the most part I like about my job.